Hello everyone students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Good. So today we are going to start our new chapter, that is ninth one, soil. Okay? All of you know that soil, how much soil is useful for us, how much it is important for us, because soil is considered as a important natural resources. सबको पता है कि soil कितनी important होती है अपने लिए. ठीक है? What is the functions of soil? क्या क्या uses होते हैं उसके? It supports the ग्रोथ ऑफ द प्लांट बाय होल्डिंग द रूट्स. ओके, मीन्स जो भी प्लांट्स होते हैं उनके रूट्स को कौन होल्ड करके रखते हैं? सॉइल. ओके, एंड वॉट एवर वी आर गिविंग द वाटर टू द प्लांट्स, दैट वाटर एंड न्यूट्रिएंट्स इट्स सप्लाई टू द प्लांट बाय द सॉइल ओनली. हम सॉइल के थ्रू, मतलब हम सॉइल में जो वाटर देते हैं वो सॉइल में जाता है और उसके थ्रू, रूट्स के थ्रू वो पूरे होल प्लांट में सप्लाई होता है. सो दैट इज नथिंग बट द सॉइल इज़ वेरी इसेंशियल for the agriculture purpose also. Okay, then soil is a very important factor for the plants. Okay, so in this chapter we will learn about all the things of the soil, means its profile, soil profile, then the different layers of soil, then the formation of soil, everything that we will learn about the soil in this chapter. Okay friends, here activity 9.1 is given. It's not very important activity that we have to do. It's a very simple activity actually. What is that? You have, for that activity we need to collect some samples of soil. Okay, means we have to take the soil samples from any other things, like from garden soil we can take the garden soil, then we have to take from the soil from roadsides, or you can take the soil from the your school garden also, ground also. Okay, means we can take the soil from any places. Okay, and what we have to observe, that we have to observe that what things are present in that soil sample. Okay, whenever you will observe the soil sample from any place, so you will find that in that soil some things are present. आप अगर देखोगे तो आपको कुछ चीज़ें दिखेगी, just like the dead plants, then few animals like small insects and all. ठीक है, like ant, sometimes earthworm also observe. ठीक है, अगर आप रेनी सीजन में ऑब्जर्व करेंगे तो अर्थवर्म्स भी सॉइल के अंदर रहते हैं. इट फाउंड, मीन्स द अर्थवर्म्स आर फाउंड इन सॉइल ड्यूरिंग द रेनी सीजन मोस्टली. ठीक है, देन एनी अदर ऑब्जर्वेशंस also you can write down for in table 9.1. so this is given only about the few collecting the few samples of soil. Okay, you know what students, the more use of plastic is also one of the cause of soil pollutions. Okay, polythene bags, plastics, this pollutes the soil. Okay, and means therefore we should demand to ban the polythene bags and plastics. Okay, हमें ban कर देना चाहिए पॉलीथीन और प्लास्टिक्स के ऊपर. ओके, एंड मोर यूज ऑफ द फर्टिलाइजर्स, मैन्यूअर्स, chemicals, this is also the one of the cause of pollution of that soil. Okay, if we are using more chemicals in the soil, so this decrease the fertility of the soil. Okay, that we will see afterwards also. Means the more use of that pesticides and chemicals is also causes the pollute of soil. So the use of that pesticide, it should be minimized. Okay, so now our next topic is the soil profile. What is meant by soil profile? For that we need to do activity 9.2. Okay, it's very simple activity. You can do it at your home also. What we can do, means for this activity what we need only some soil. Okay, and we have to dissolve some soil in glass. Firstly we have to take some water in the glass and we have to dissolve the soil in that glass. Okay, and stir it well. Afterwards, after dissolving that soil in water, keep it aside for the some time and don't disturb that soil. Okay, let it stand for undisturbed for the some time. उसको बिल्कुल डिस्टर्ब नहीं करना है, हिलाना नहीं है. Afterwards, you know what will happen? You will find the different layers of soil in that water. Okay, means at bottom side you will find the large pieces of the that soil, means rocks के कुछ pieces दिखेंगे, that is known as gravel. Okay, then sand. On the upper layer you will find sand, then after that clay, small size of, fine size of clay you will find. Then you will afterwards at upper side you will find the clear water, and at the water, means you will find that the Humus will find. Humus means what? Humus is nothing but the rotting dead matter in the soil. Okay, means that means the rotting leaves or animals that will remains, it will float on the water. So that humus layer you will find out which will float on the water. आप देखोगे कि कुछ डेड दे लीव्स के जो होंगे लीव्स वो उस पर फ्लोट होते हुए दिखाई देंगे. So that means you will find different layers of the soil in that glass of water. Okay, so this is known as the soil profile only. So hereafter we will study in detail all the layers. Okay, so firstly what is meant by humus? Humus means क्या देखा था हमने? The rotting dead matter in the soil which is known as a humus. And you know what students, how the soil is formed? Soil कैसे form होती है? Soil is formed by the process known as weathering. Weathering is the process which forms the soil. Weathering means what? Weathering means the breaking down of rocks by the action of wind, water and the climate. Okay, so that process is known as weathering. मतलब जिसमें rocks के small pieces होते हैं because of the wind and water and also for the climate, and it breaks into smaller pieces. So that process is known as a weathering process. Okay, उससे हमारी soil क्या होती है? Form होती है. Understood? And what is meant by soil profile? Soil profile is nothing but the vertical section through the different layers of the soil is known as soil profile. Just like we have seen the how we get the different layers of the soil. Okay, नीचे ग्रेवल था, ऊपर सैंड थी, फिर क्ले था, लाइक दैट, देन ऊपर ह्यूमस थी. सो दैट डिफरेंट वर्टिकल सेक्शंस ऑफ डिफरेंट लेयर्स ऑफ सॉइल इज नोन एज अ soil profile. So today we have studied about the soil profile only, means the definition of soil profile and the weathering process. What is meant by weathering process? Weathering process means the formation of soil process. Okay, soil formation process. So now here today only we have studied about this much topic. In our next class we will see the in detail, means detail description of the different layers of the soil profile. That means the figure 9.3 soil profile. In that we will see the different layers of the soil: A horizon, B horizon, C horizon and the bedrock. Okay, and what it contains in these different layers. So in detail structure and study of this soil profile we will see in our next class. Okay, I hope you have understood the today's topic. Thank you.